My video guide is dedicated to help you remove a pop-up scam that comes from the site Alliedarnold.store. Alliedarnold.store is a new, malicious and deceptive site which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to trick you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. Alliedarnold.store claims that it is somehow related to the well-known security application. But there is no connection between these pop-ups and that decent security program. Instead, all these pop-ups are fully controlled by certain online hackers who hunt for users' money. They try to make people download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, don't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't ever install anything that they suggest. Now, my strong recommendation is that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.